so for today's video, we're going to help you how to keep and maintain your fan clean. So basically, exhaust fan and ceiling fan make your home more comfortable and even can help you lower your energy house consumption. But sometimes, they're easily taken for granted. And if you aren't doing routinely fan maintenance, they may wear out more quickly or malfunction. Did you know that knowing how to clean exhaust fan and ceiling fan is the key to preserve good work condition? Fortunately, it only takes a little time and a little effort to maintain them. Now, what are you waiting for? Follow this tip maintenance to keep your fan more clean and comfortable.
You need to unplug the fan on the outlet. Then, unlock the front grille to the rear grille. Next, remove the front grille. Remove the cup from the blade. Then, remove the blade from the shaft carefully. Next, get a towel and a bucket. Fill the bucket with water. Dip the towel from the water, let it soak. Then, gently wipe all the dust from the blade carefully. Next, get the front grille and make sure to wipe all the dust on it. Oops, don't forget the cup. Again, soak the towel with water. Don't forget to wipe the rear grille. Make sure to wipe all the dust. Make sure to wipe the back too. Get a dry towel. Then carefully wipe the blade with a dry towel. Make sure there is no water on it. Next, wipe the grill. Flip the grill. Make sure to wipe all the water between the grills. Next, attach the blade from the shaft carefully. Then, secure it with the cup. Make sure the cup is tight. And when it's done, attach the front grille from the rear grille. Oopsie. Make sure to lock it. Make sure that it's locked. And then we're done.
You may not think about ceiling fan and exhaust fan very often, but you know their proper function is very essential to your house. We hope that this maintenance tips helps you. Jesus loves you. Bye!